Hi, I'm Hasini. So, this is just a small interview just to know more about the bond between a child and his father or her father. So, just a memory, we're just going to present it on Father's Day. So, here I have my friend Shazana. Can you give a few words describing you?
I am Shazana. I'm 11 years old. I do a lot of social work. I am a social activist, and my
That's
cause
great.
is Save the Farmer.
You work on Save the Farmer,
Yeah.
right? So, you have adopted a farmer.
Yeah, I have adopted 2 farmers.
That's so cool. You have been so. What's your goal? So, what's your dream?
My aim is to be a lawyer and work in the International Court of Justice.
Congrats. You will be a lawyer. If so, I'm really happy for that. So, I just have a set of questions. Don't panic. Just answer what comes to your mind. Okay. First question. What's your favorite memory regarding your father?
Okay, so when I was small, my father used to love me like something. He used to take me to Pizza Hut, Domino's Pizza, and so without knowing my mother, okay, without telling my mother. So it was so adventurous, and I just loved it. He used to take me and his friends. It was so cool. So that was my
Special moment.
yeah.
So, fun moments with dad, as such, being a daughter is really fun, and even I have experienced it. So, I think it should be the happiest thing in the world to spend time with our dad, right? So, with that, we'll move to the next. What is the one word that comes to your mind when you think about your father or your dad?
Loving.
Loving. Wow.
Yeah, loving. He loves me like so much, and now I need a phone. So he's like, I don't want my child to get spoiled by having a phone. I'm okay to give me give my OnePlus also, but she can't get a phone. So he's okay to give his phone for me. Oh, nothing can be more.
So you agree that he is concerned about you, right? So I think hearing this, he should be really happy, right? So yeah, with that, with more interesting stuff. What is the funniest thing you have witnessed your dad do? What is the craziest thing you've seen in your dad and you liked it?
Oh my god, that's something for me to think.
Just say something which comes to your mind first.
There are many things. I don't know what will I say.
Particular thing, something which is
So
special.
the way he acts, the way he speaks, the way he dances, everything is a bit
Wow.
funny. Okay, I just love it. I just enjoy it.
Sounds a bit crazy, but still, that's where love is. That's where love starts, and then that's really a memory. Creates a lot of stuff. If your dad's life story was a movie, what would be the title like? Maybe, for example, it was struggle, so I can give it as something like that. So maybe what your dad has faced, you can give it as a
Okay,
title.
my father's work. My father, because he's only in his work. He gives time, but work is his first priority.
Not exactly like that. I'm asking how a title for all of his whole life, describing his whole life.
Okay, describing his own life. I don't know about anything about his life. So after I was born, it can be like I feel that I am only his love.
Wow.
I don't know what do I say. So I am
Daughter
only his
life.
love, daughter and father. It can be something like that.
Like father, like daughter.
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. What message would you like to convey to your father on Father's Day? So you can be open mind. This will be shown to your dad. So just be open mind, even when it goes to an emotional situation. Just be open-minded.
Okay, love you, Bobs. I just love you. I like the way you care for me. I like the way you speak with me. I like the way you're straight with me also. So I just love you.
You are very your dad is very concerned about you, and you just saying this to him makes him feel proud, and I'm too happy about that, Shazana. So this is just to give a boost. Okay, one Marvel character that suits your dad.
Oh my god. That's just Marvel characters. I don't see any Marvel movies.
Marvel means
I know.
One happy character. Marvel means happy character.
Maybe I can give him something from Avengers. Captain America.
Captain America. Why is it so Captain America?
I just like him. I like my
King
father
of the
also.
world. King of the world.
Yeah.
This America
He's
is
my dear Trump.
whole wild country, you know. Okay, now next it's going to be the rapid fire round. I hope you got 2 objects, right? Can you please show that on screen?
Yeah.
One, you got trophy.
Yeah.
What is this for? This is describing you or your dad?
Me. I
why?
have won many trophies and awards.
Wow.
I'm a
that's
Guinness
so
World
cool.
Record holder.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Definitely your dad should feel proud about this, having a daughter like you. Then
My
the
father is very good in driving. He's
Yeah.
like awesome. He drives so fast. Actually, in this January, we went to Goa also.
Oh,
so
wow.
he traveled to the whole travel. This is awesome. Adventurous.
That's so cool. Interesting, pretty interesting. So basically you're gonna have it here. So I'm gonna ask you some questions. Within 20 seconds or 30 seconds, you're just gonna raise one. What suits you or your dad? What? 1 second. Okay. Who spends more money? You or your dad? Faster. Rapid fire. You. Good. Who's more likely to get into an argument? You or your dad? Dad. Okay. Who's more likely to forget a birthday or an anniversary on an important day, which is Dad. Okay. Who's the funny one? Both. That's so cool. Something which should be appreciated. This bond will go till somewhere in life, because people who are more funny get more bonding actually. So with that, we'll move to the next. Who's the most emotional one? Emotional one. Faster. Dad. So you say how emotional. You feel that. If you have an argument, he used to feel a lot, or you used to feel a lot?
We both used to
You
feel a lot, but he used to feel like something more than me.
Because it happens every day. It's very unconditional love. Having the bond between a daughter, especially between a daughter and dad. Even I have experienced it many times, and then same situations. Who's the better cook? You. Okay. So I'm gonna have lunch or dinner. Dad gonna cook for me. Okay. Whose love is unconditional? Dad. The elder person takes good care. Okay. Who's more likely to win at Monopoly? Who's better in business or to spend money? Something like that.
Who is my
Markets.
father?
Okay. Who's the biggest sport enthusiast? Who's more interested in sports? You! Okay.
Very good in sports.
Who eats the most junk food?
Need to be honest.
Okay, this is just a boost. So you can have a few words regarding this to your father. You wanted to tell something, you can have that.
Regarding this round.
Not only Father's Day, the bonding between you both.
Okay, so my message is for daughters. So daughters, don't be like my father's so strict, my father's so cunning, and father's so something like that. So please love your father. Whatever he says is for your good. Just keep in mind and don't do something wrong.
That's something really. You should take her as an inspiration, because she she accepts her mistakes and she says, I think her father should be really proud of that. Being an identity to people is something which is really great. So with that, here makes an end. Bye.